Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach few important sums. Okay, from circle also, quality question also. Okay, and whatever I will teach now. So tangents property of a circle is there. This is not your portion also, but in entrance also is there. Okay, so science students, it's very important for science students. Okay, this is for only for entrance exam. Competitive exam also. All of you look at the board. Tangents property. As all of you know, tangent of a circle already discussed in the class, and class in 10 also. Tangential property also they have reduced also. But basic concept, when a line touch the circle, okay, there are three conditions are there. Intersect the circle. Then, see, suppose the circle is there, just this is intersect. One line is there, just touch the line, circle. Another is not intersect. Three conditions. When intersect, the form here, suppose AB. So this is the chord. Chord. When touch the line, that is tangent. Okay, this is not intersect the line. Maybe parallel to tangent line, maybe, or not maybe. These other things are there. Now, that is already you have learned in class 10. That is general equation of a straight line y equal to mx plus c. Okay, y equal to mx plus c will be tangent to the circle. What is the condition? In which condition the straight line y equal to mx plus c will be tangent to the conic, that means circle x square plus y square whole square. Okay. Now I am showing, look at here. See. Suppose one straight line is given, y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c will be a tangent. Will be a tangent to the circle. Okay, be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to s square. Obviously, look at here, center 0 0. Okay, and radius a. So we draw the circle here. So this is the tangent. So y equal to mx plus c. Center is 0 0. Center is 0 0. Now, so this is no radius now. So distance from 0 0 origin to the line. All of you know, suppose one point is given x1 y1. See, x1 y1 point is given. Here, the straight line is suppose x plus by plus c equal to 0. How to find that distance? There are two ways are there. First one, to directly find out the value. Here, put ax1 plus by1 plus c by distance. You put distance d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root under a square plus b square. Coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. root under a square plus b square. Okay, keep in mind. This absolute value will take. If negative is there, then you will take a positive value. Understood? So, distance from the point to the line, straight line, means it is always perpendicular distance. Otherwise, another method also there. So this will be time taken. So this is perpendicular. Perpendicular is find out gradient. Okay. So whatever gradient, the each gradient will get m1 m2 equal minus 1. Then you will get this gradient passing to the point x1 y1. Then you will get the straight line this one. This straight line you will get. Again this you have to solve. You will get this one, point of contact, and distance find out. Same result. So it is more better. Keep in mind, distance from any point to the straight line will be whatever point is given. Just put the value x and y here. Replace ax1 b1 plus c. See here the straight line is given. Just we put x is there, x1, y y1 2 by root under a square plus b square. Okay. Similar way, distance from origin to the line. So we can write this line y minus mx minus c equal to 0. You can write now. You go distance d. So d equal to, you can write. So both are 0 0. Look at here, x0 y0. So this also 0. So minus c by root under 1 whole square plus minus m whole square. Y coefficient, x coefficient. Here plus minus whole square. Okay. So it will be here minus c by root under 1 plus m square. So take negative sign is there, positive value will take. So d equal to c by root under 1 plus m square. Okay. Distance from origin, that is here to the tangent line, and this equal to, what is radius? No, this is the radius. Radius and tangent perpendicular to each other. So this is radius. So radius is given what? A. Yes, this is A. Radius is A. Now write. So you can write here A equal to c by root under 1 plus m square. Then c equal to a root 1 plus m square. Okay. Understood? C equal to, so this is constant, you can take also here the distance plus minus, you can write also, no problem is there. So for all values of m is here y equal mx plus c, the value c means a root 1 plus m square be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Keep in mind. For all values of m, see, we are writing wait. Right. For all values, this symbol for all values of m, the line y equal to mx plus c will be a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square if c equal to plus minus a root 1 plus m square, because constant is there, that's why right, plus minus. Okay, this is the tangent. Keep in mind. Understood? This is a shortcut method is there. Another method is there. Just this value y equal to mx plus you put the equation this one, and you will give the quality equation form. That discriminant greater than equal to 0. Okay, then you will get same answer. You will get same result. Keep in mind. As I am showing one sum. Look at here. See, find the equation of a circle whose center is given minus 4, 2. Center is given, the center minus 4, 2 center is given, and which touches the line x minus y equal to 3. So this is here x, this equation x minus y here equal to 3. This is given. Find the equation of a circle. Center is given 4 minus 4 comma 2, and the circle touches the line x minus y equal to 3. Okay, so here you have to find out the radius. How to find the radius? See, here center and radius, you know, always perpendicular to each other. This is perpendicular to each other. This will be radius. Means distance from the center minus 4 comma 2 to the line x minus y equal to 3. So write r equal to x minus y. X means minus 4 minus 2 minus 3, right, by root under 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. 1 is coefficient. See, x minus y, x coefficient 1 and y coefficient minus 1, y coefficient minus 1. So right here minus 9 by root over 2, right. So take absolute value, radius always positive. So write 9 by root. You will get radius. Understood? You will get radius. Now write equation. Equation is there of a circle. Center is given the x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square, that is 81 by 2. Now write multiply 2 x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 81. This is the equation of circle. Find out this one. Suppose all of you know a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square form, all of you know. Just to break this one. Understood? So keep in mind tangent property here. Okay? If find the point of contact, if there, this point find out. How to do? So this perpendicular equation, no, it is perpendicular. So this equation, perpendicular equation will be by x plus y equals suppose constant k passes to the point minus 4 2. That is minus 4 plus 2 equal to k. That is k equal to minus 2. So equation will be this equation. This equation, okay. Suppose center O, this is P, this is Q. So equation that is OP find out. Okay. So x plus y equal to minus 2. You will get this equation. And x plus y minus 2 and x minus y equal to 3. You have to solve. Simultaneous linear equation you have to solve. Understood? So at 2x equal to 1, then x equal to half. 1 point you get. Put the value, you get the other point. That you have to solve. That is point of contact. You will get the coordinate of that is point of contact. Understood? Okay. So tangent property, just a y equal to mx plus c straight line will be tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square or a square, anything, if c equal to, okay, radius r, a root c equal to a root 1 plus m square. Understood? C equal to plus minus a root 1 plus m square. With the help of calculus we can prove also this part. Okay? With the calculus. Ellipse also there, hyperbola also there, parabola also there, is like that. Okay? keep in mind. See, suppose I am going also on some right. Find the equation of the common chord of two circles is given. See, two circles is given. Suppose this is C1 center, this is C2 center is given. Okay, C1 center, C2 center is given. Okay, now here common chord means this one find out. This equation is there. Wait 1 minute. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 36 equal to 0. This equation, and this equation will be x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y minus 43 equal to 0. Okay. Find the equation of the common chord and also find the length of the chord. This one find out length. Suppose this is P and this is P, find out. So already all of you know common chord. So this minus this. Okay, this minus this, find out. So we will get, suppose this is one equation, this is number 2. So 1 minus 2 we will do. 1 minus 2. So this is x square, so both are cancelled now. So minus 4x minus plus x is x. Plus 6y here minus, this is minus 2y. Okay? And this is plus is there. So 36. So plus 7 equal to 0. This is the common chord. Okay? The equation, common chord is the straight line. Equation of the common chord x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. 7 equal to 0. Understood? This equation center, all of you know, no? Center. See, this will be 2 minus 3. From here find out the distance d. So this is d. Distance. This equation no. So suppose this is C1. This is R suppose. So C1 R will be, just put here x equal to 2 minus 2 into 3 6. This is plus 6 plus 7 by root under a square plus b square, this one 1 plus 4 minus 2 whole square, keep in mind minus 2 whole square positive plus. So here will be 15 by root 5. So you can write here root 5, that is 3 root 5. Okay? So we will get this part. Look at this one 3 root 5. Now radius find out. Radius, this is the radius, no? This is center radius. So radius root under, that is C1 cube. C1 to find out this part. Root under g square plus a square minus c. So right, root under g square, g here 2 whole square plus here minus 3 whole square minus c 36 minus it will be plus 36 now. So right, 4 plus 9 plus 36 root 49 equal to 7. So this part will be 7. Okay, Now find out this one. So you know this 90-degree angle is there, Pythagoras theory. So 49 equal to 45 plus this part, so it will be 4. Understood? Square root of 4 will be 2, so this will be 2. This part will be 2, we are getting 2. Understood? Okay. If this is 2, this also 2. Both are equal. Understood? So similarly, this also 2. So length of PQ equal to 4. Length of PQ, right, equal to 4. Understood? Now do it now. Okay. Okay. So what I am telling you, this part of tangent. So see, suppose this is the tangent. The line this one which passes the center. This equation is this one, also known as normal. Curve is there. So here tangent normal both are perpendicular. Keep in mind. If it is given, tangent is given, find the equation normal. So it is always passes through the center, keep in mind. Okay? Always passes through the center. Now I am showing one sum. Look at here. To diameter is given. Suppose x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Diameter is given. And the length of the chord intersected by the straight line is 6 units. Length of the chord. Suppose the circle is there. Length of the, this is given. Suppose AB 6 units. 6 units is given. First find out. So this is equation of diameter. If we solve these two equations, so we will get the center. No, diameter is given. Diameter is always passes to the center. Understood? Passes to the center. Then we can get here, they intersect each other. This point is known as center. So you have to solve just minus 2, minus plus. So minus 3y equal to minus 3, y equal to 1. If y equal to 1, then x also 1, x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. The center is 1, 1. Okay, the center is 1, 1. The equation is given, this equation, that is 1 into 8. This equation is there, AB 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is given. The chord, equation of AB, chord given. Now from here find out the distance d. This is not tangent, keep in mind, chord. Distance find out. So if you take distance d, so d equal to, right, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 8 by root under 9 plus 16. Okay. 15 by 5. So this is 3 unit. This is 3 unit. And this also you know, total is 6. Then this also 3 unit. Now you join, you will get diameter r. This is yes, radius r will get. So r square you can write 3 square plus 3 square 18. So r equal to 3 2. Okay. Now center you know 1 1. So equation find out. Equation is there, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to r square, that is 18. So that x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 18 equal to 0. So write x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 16 equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle. Right. Okay. And also I'll give the study material worksheet also. All of you solve. Okay. Multiple choice question coming in your exam. This is an online exam, multiple choice question will come. Suppose I am giving the sum, this sum. Okay. 3 options are there. 4 options are there. The equation is this. Another equation is this. Like that 3 equations. Suppose this is A and B, C, D is like that. Which is correct? You write just suppose B or C, any on your right. Understood? Okay. Okay, again next day, no more today. Okay. Next day again I will discuss various type of sums. Okay? Okay, bye.